Okay guys, so here is first update of my the project. This is going to be, as you can see, the frame is a little long. um, it's going to be kind of like what's the word I'm trying to say, like a minivan. I am currently printing the steering piece to go from here to here. It's currently printed right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep this real short. This is gonna be rear wheel drive, but I can make it all-wheel drive. But as of now, I just want to make it rear wheel drive. I got the slots over here to make it actually, and rather than whole, I could actually make it. But as of now, I just got a rear wheel drive. Here's where the motor mount will go, as usual. Modular design. Alright, the motor goes right there, and then this piece will go on that slot, just like how it came off. Right, that's the support for the sport gear and all that. And then yeah, I'm gonna have the ESC mounted right there on that square slot, and then the main board right there on the other side over here somewhere. This piece right in the middle, that's where we're gonna go. It's gonna sit like that. Alright, come on, right there, it'll sit like that. And then reason why I did it like that was because I wanted to make like a sort of like a futuristic, right, van, or like a minivan, or I guess people call it mom's van. But I want to make it like gold wing doors that go up and down like that on the other side as well. Yeah, so everything works out. It checks out good. Everything is solid. There's barely any movement on the wheels. Everything is properly mounted. Suspension works and everything. Let me show you. Okay, right there. There on the front as well. Right there. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, my table is a little messy, but it's always messy when it's time for me to put stuff together. But yeah, soon I'll be doing the wiring. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, check my other videos, hit the the bell button, and comment down in the comment section anything you guys want to say or want to see or anything.